Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, is a holiday that's been celebrated since Mesoamerican times. While traditions have changed and there are big, extravagant ofrendas out there, you really don't need a big ofrenda and much to celebrate and dedicate a space for a past loved one this year. Ofrendas come in different shapes and sizes and are usually adorned with things that represent the person that you'll be honoring tonight. There are also traditional elements in ofrenda that represent earth, wind, water, and fire. To represent the wind, I'll be using papel picado or tissue paper garland. You can make your own. It adds color, but also it symbolizes the fragility of life. You can add any blankets or colorful surfaces to add some color to your ofrenda, but it's important to remember to work with what you have and that your ofrenda is a true representation of the person you'll be honoring that day. Cempasúchis are a very popular and well-known flower used to decorate ofrendas for Day of the Dead. Their strong scent is believed to attract spirits to the families and the altars during Day of the Dead. Water, or cup of water, represents the element water, but also the purity of life, but also quenches the thirst of spirits during their journey to and from the afterlife. The next component are the offerings, which will also represent the earth in the ofrenda. These are any foods that your loved one enjoyed and that you'll be offering to them while they visit in spirit in your ofrenda during Day of the Dead. Last but not least, a photo of the loved one you'll be honoring, and a candle to represent fire, which will also direct spirits to the altar during Day of the Dead. It's important to remember that you don't have to have a photo to have a complete ofrenda. Sometimes we don't have photos of loved ones, so a simple name or any elements that really describe the person and honors them is a perfect addition if a photo is missing in the ofrenda. Dia de los Muertos is an amazing holiday to celebrate those who have passed on, but also celebrate life and the legacy we want to leave behind for those who one day make ofrendas for us. We hope we learned something today, and thanks for watching.